Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can pass data from FlexCards to Omniscripts using custom events. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll be clicking on new button to create a new FlexCard, and I'll be providing the FlexCard name as pass data from FlexCard to Omniscript. And let me just click on next, and I'll be using SOQL query to retrieve like custom metadata records, and then I'll pass that uh, record informations into Omniscript. And let me just provide this SOQL. So SOQL nothing but it's retrieves like, so this is a custom metadata type record, and in the last video I have talked about that custom metadata type, and we are fetching like country, tax percentage, effective dates from that record. And I'll be just click on next, and I'll be just click on fetch to retrieve those records, and we can see different countries name and their tax percentage details and their effective dates are also showing, and we can see the same informations into the JSON formatted way as well. And after seeing this, it looks good, and I'll be just click on save. So now we want to just show those information into a tabular format. That is why I'm just searching for data table component, and I'll be just drag and drop that one into this canvas. So we can see that our data is showing in a good formatted way, like in a tabular format. And we can just we can select a different field values, we can just make them sortable, searchable, those kind of configurations we can done. And just wanted to update some of the configuration setting in the FlexCard, so that this FlexCard is configurable with that Omniscript. That is why I'm just selecting this FlexCard for Omniscript support. So Omniscript support is nothing but whenever we just want to address this FlexCard into a custom LWC component in Omniscripts, that in that time we just need to enable these options into FlexCard. And now our main purpose is to, whenever let me just make this component. So from this data table component, I'll be just go to the attributes, and I'll just make this checkbox to true, user selectable row, so that user can select rows, particular row from this data table. And so now I'll be just so whenever a user just selecting one row, that information should be available in the Omniscript. So this is how we can just make this like passing data from FlexCard to Omniscript. And now for the time being, let me just preview this one. And we can see that our list of records are showing. Now let me just uh, turn off this repeat options. Let me just turn off this one, and let me just active. So there are a lot of configurations we need to do for custom events as well. Before that, I'll be just showing how currently this will be displayed in the Omniscript, so that we can differentiate how we can just pass the data from FlexCard to Omniscript. And before while it's getting activated, let me just create a new Omniscript, and I'll be providing the Omniscript name like pass data from Flex to OS, Flex to OS data passing. And this LWC enabled Omniscript option needs to be checked, and I'll be just click on save. And our FlexCard is also activated, and we can just configure publication means target publish options. We can configure like we can just select app page, home page, record page. These are selected by default, and we can select community page, community default as well. And I'll be just click on save. And as we know, whenever we are just activating and or creating a FlexCard in the backend, there will be a LWC component is getting, there should be a LWC getting created so that we can refer that custom so that we can refer that FlexCard into this custom LWC component. So this is a custom LWC element in the Omniscript. So in here we can just search with that FlexCard name, and we'll be selecting this one. So this is how we can just refer that FlexCard into this Omniscript. And now to since this is a custom LWC component the FlexCard is getting treated with, we just need to activate the Omniscript in order to just preview our data. So the Omniscript got activated. Let me just click on preview. And we can see that this FlexCard data table is showing in this Omniscript. Now, if I just click on any of them, so nothing is getting triggered, right? So this is how we just want to update the FlexCard so that we can just receive the custom event listener informations. So whenever we are just selecting a particular row, this will be triggered in here, right? In the data.json part, we can just see that after selecting any of the row, so that details will be shown here. So in that case we just want to update our FlexCard. Let me just deactivate this one. So our FlexCard got deactivated. Now from the setup we just need to select this event listener. I'll be just click on add new. So in here I will be just selecting this custom event. Our event name should be this one, select row. Select row, and in the action I'll be just selecting the action type as update Omniscript, since we are just updating the Omni.json data. So that node we are updating, that's why we just need to select this action type as update Omniscript. And after selecting the action type, we can just select, or parent node we can just select from the fields available, or we can just put any value in this uh, parent node. For the time being I am just providing the parent node name as tax rule. And let me just provide input parameters. So first input parameter should be this one, select row, and the format will be like this within second bracket, action dot result dot select row. And we just want to add few more fields like tax percentage, so this field, and we just need to append this one, action dot result dot this field name. So this is the format we need to mention, like action dot result dot field name. And we just want to add our country name as well. So these should be like country, action dot result dot country, and finally we can just select like ID. So let me just select ID, action dot result dot ID. So now our custom event is set up successfully, and I can just click on save, and we can see that select row is our custom event, and I can just simply activate the FlexCard. So this is all like configurations we need to perform in the FlexCard in order to pass the data from FlexCard to Omniscript with the custom event option. There are multiple ways we can just pass the FlexCard, uh, pass the data from FlexCard to Omniscript. So this is one option. So after activating the FlexCard, we can just navigate to our Omniscript, and let me just refresh the Omniscript, and I'll be just click on preview again. And we can see that our data table is showing, and let me just select any of the row, and on selecting we can see that the details are showing in here. So earlier this was not getting triggered. Now we can see that this object, tax rule object, is getting triggered, and we can see that select row is true, tax percentage of that selected row like India is 18, country India, then ID of that ID of the record. So this is how we can just simply and then we can, from the, since this is now available in the data JSON of the Omniscript, we can just get the data directly using like using the text block, or any in the next steps we can use that value that we are just getting from that FlexCard. So this is how we can just simply pass the record from FlexCard to Omniscript. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce, Omnistudio, and Data Cloud topics. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching.